So before starting, if you click on the settings icon and here select the audio track, you can select any language here for my video and understand it in your own language, and it will be translated by the Google. So let's start the video. So hello guys, today Wednesday season 2 will be released and no one knows what is the real time of that series, like when will be it available on the Netflix. So the time they have given on the Google is 12 am PT or 3 am ET. So how will we convert this to in our own country time? So here I'll just search the same thing and I'll search to Indian time, but here now I mistakenly didn't understood what it was written here. So just watch the video till the end and I tell you in the end of that video that what is the time, like what is the real time in India or any country and how you can find it. So when you search for the same thing, I have just copied that thing like the 12 am PT or 3 am ET. So I'll first convert it into the Pakistani time. So here you can see the ET time is 3 am. So you just need to select the 3 am in the above converter. I just click on the website and here you need to select is 3 am. So let me select here. So if I select the 3 am, so you can see the Pakistani time is 12 pm. It means like in India it will be 12:30 pm. So it's around like the evening time, and it will be available or live on the Netflix on like 12 pm. So do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.